Hi everyone, my name is P. Sandhya. I am working as a assistant professor in EC department at MLR College. Today I am going to explain about image compression in video and image processing subject. So the contents of this lecture: course objectives, course outcomes, image compression, need for image compression, how to convert into binary data, general modules of image compression ratio, types of image compression, and applications of image compression. The course objectives of the subject: the students will try to learn fundamentals of digital image processing, including image reformation, sampling, quantization, pixel relationships, image transformation, such as Fourier, cosine, and wavelength transforms. Image enhancement techniques in frequency domain, focusing on filtering, smoothing, sharpening, and selective filtering operations. Image segmentation processing techniques, including edge detection, thresholding, region based methods, application such as image watermarking. So, image compression and restoration methods covering coding redundancies, compression modules and standards, and restoration techniques using inverse and deconvolution filtering. The principles of video processing and motion estimation, including video formation modules, motion estimation methods, transform and predictive coding. Next, the course outcomes of the subject. After successful completion of the course, students should be able to explain fundamental concepts of digital image processing and image transform techniques. Apply frequency domain methods for image enhancement. Analyze image segmentation processing techniques. Evaluate image compression and restoration methods for efficient image representation. Apply motion estimation techniques and video processing principles for video processing applications. Next, image compression. An image is made of many pixels. A pixel is a smallest individual unit of a digital image. An image is made of thousands or millions of pixels arranged in rows and columns. For example, a photograph taken with a camera. Next, video. A video is a collection of many images or many pixels shown quickly one after another. So this creates the feeling of movement. For example, movies, YouTube videos, and mobile recordings. Need for image compression. Compression is a process used to reduce the storage required to save an image or the bandwidth required to transmit. Image compression is the process of reducing the amount of data required to represent an image. Image compression reduces the file size. Without compression, a CD can store only 200 pixels or 8 seconds movie. So this one is example of original image. Original image size is 7.5.7 MB. So this one is example of compressed image. So compressed image size is 470 kilobytes. How to convert image into binary data? An image is made of many pixels. Each pixel stores three numbers. So amount of red, amount of green, amount of blue. So these three numbers together form the RGB value of that pixel. So converting a pixel into RGB value means extracting the red, green, blue component stored in that pixel. So RGB means R means red color, G means green color, and B means blue color. So each value usually ranges from 0 to 255. So red RGB value is 255, 0, 0. Green RGB value is 0, 255, 0. Blue RGB value is 0, 0 and 255. White RGB value is 255, 255, 255. Black RGB value is 0, 0, 0. So RGB values are converted into binary data by representing each color value has an 8-bit binary number. So 3 8-bit binary numbers together form a 24-bit digital representation of single pixel. For example, Indian flag image, the main colors can be represented as orange, white, green and blue. So this one is RGB value of orange. So this one is RGB values of white. This one is RGB values of green. So this one is RGB values of blue. So this one is binary code for 255 and this one is binary code for 153 and this one is binary code for 51 and this one is binary code for 255. This one is binary code for 255 and this one is binary code for 255. Next, this one is binary code for 0, this one is binary code for 128 and this one is binary code for 0 and this one is binary code for 0 and this one is binary code for 0 and this one is binary code for 128. So the number of pixels in an image depends on the image resolution. Resolution is nothing but width and height. So the number of pixels in an image equal to width and height. For example, 10 by 10 Indian flag image resolution equal to width into height. So width equal to 10 and height equal to 10. So the total number of pixels in an image is 100 pixels. So binary data for 1 pixel of RGB Indian flag image, 24 bits for 1 pixel. So 10 by 10 image flag binary data 100 into 24 equal to 2400 bits for total bits. So converted into bytes, 300 bytes. This one is general modules of image compression. So input image are original image given to the source encoder. An encoder is a device. It converts the information from one form to another form. A source encoder is used to compress the data by removing unnecessary information to make the data smaller and more efficient to transmit the data and store the data. Basic definition of encoder is it takes the 2 power n inputs and it gives only n inputs. For example, input image are original image size 255. So 255 we can write 2 power 8. So it takes the 2 power 8 bits or 255 bits and it gives only 8 bits. So the source encoder is used to compress the input image or original image. So the compressed data given to the channel encoder. An image is sent through a channel. Some data may get corrupted due to noise or interference. So channel encoder is a part of image compression or transmission system. Channel encoder adds some extra bits to the compressed data. So the extra bit used to detect and correct the errors. So the output of the channel encoder is compressed data plus extra bits. So compressed data plus extra bits given to the channel or source device. So the channel or storage device is used to transmit the compressed data from transmitter section to receiver section. So this one is transmitter section and this one is receiver section. So example of channels are Wi-Fi, internet, mobile network and cable network. And example of storage device, CD, DVD, pen drive and memory card. So the compressed data plus extra bit given to the channel decoder. So compressed data transmitted through a channel, some data bits may changes due to noise or interference. So the channel decoder uses the extra bits added by the channel encoder to detect the and correct the errors. So the output of the channel decoder gives the source decoder. So the source decoder is used to reconstruct the original image or input image from the compressed data. So the output of source decoder is decompressed image. So decompressed image same as input image, almost same as input image or original image. So this one is general modules of image compression. Image compression ratio. This one is original image. For example, this one is compressed image. Original image data is N1 and compressed data image is N2. So compression ratio equal to original image size N1 divided by compressed image size N2. For example, original image size N1 equal to 10 MB and compressed image size N2 equal to 2 MB equal to N2. Then compression ratio equal to N1 by N2, 10 by 2 equal to 5. So the compression ratio equal to 5:1. So this means the image is compressed 5 times smaller than original image. So relevant data, redundancy. Redundancy means extra or repeated data. So repeated data, RD means repeated data equal to 1 minus 1 by compression ratio. For example, if compression ratio equal to 10 by 1, then repeated data equal to 1 minus 1 by 10 equal to 0.9. So 90% of data of original image is redundant, can be removed. So if compressed image data equal to original image data, then compression ratio equal to N1 by N2, N1 by N2 get cancelled. So the compression ratio equal to 1 and repeated data equal to 0. If compressed data is less than original image data, then compression ratio equal to infinite and repeated data equal to infinite. Next, types of compression. So there are two types, lossless compression and lossy compression. So in lossless compression, original image can be recovered exactly, higher quality and bigger in size. In lossy compression, only an approximation of the original image can be recovered, low quality and smaller in size. So this one is example of lossless compression. Here original image or input image is Lina image. Lina image is given to the encoder. So encoder is used to compress the Lina image size. So the compressed data is given to the communication channel or storage device. So the decoder takes the compressed data and it extracts the original data. So this one is example of decompressed data. So decompressed data exactly same as original data. That means there is no error in between deconstructed data and original data. That is nothing but decompressed image is equal to original image. So this one is example of lossy image compression. Pre-processing. Next, applications of image compression. So images are compressed to web pages load faster and mobile apps, compressed images, save storage and internet data. In medical imaging, hospitals store X-rays, MRI and CT scan efficiently. satellite image, large images are compressed before transmission. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook compress images before uploading. In video conferencing, applications like Zoom, Google Meet use compression to reduce the bandwidth. Next, future trends. So AI based image compression. Thank you.